Hey everyone! So, I finally got my hands on the NutriBullet ZNBF30400Z blender, and I've been putting it through its paces. I know a lot of you have been asking about it, so I wanted to give you my honest take. First off, this thing looks sleek. I got the dark gray one, and it's definitely got that modern, minimalist vibe. It'll look good on any countertop. But looks aren't everything, right? Let's talk power. This baby boasts 1,200 watts. That's serious blending power. I've made everything from smoothies, obviously, to soups, sauces, even nut butters, and it crushes everything. I mean, seriously pulverizes. No chunks, no stringy bits, just perfectly smooth blends every time. It's got 3 speeds plus a pulse function, so you have total control over the consistency. Want a chunky salsa? No problem. Need a silky smooth soup? Easy peasy. The pitcher is a generous 64 ounces, which is great for families or meal prepping. It's made of BPA-free high-performance plastic, so you don't have to worry about any nasty chemicals leaching into your food. And the blade? Stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action. Sounds fancy, right? Basically, it means it blends everything super efficiently. Now, one thing I was a little confused about was the product description saying it's dishwasher safe and not dishwasher safe at the same time. So, I checked the manual, and the pitcher is dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for easy cleanup. Just toss it in and you're done. The motor base, of course, you have to wipe clean. It also comes with a tamper, which is super helpful for pushing down thicker ingredients, and a recipe book to get you started. Now let's talk about some of the things I noticed. While the base is sturdy, it's also pretty lightweight. I mean, the product description says it weighs 0.01 ounces, which can't be right. It definitely has some heft to it, but it's not as heavy as some other high-powered blenders I've used. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, just something to note. Also, the dimensions listed as 0.8 L times 0.6 W times 0.4 H seem way off. The actual dimensions are closer to what's listed further down as 15.75 inch DX 15.6 H. So, just ignore those first measurements. They're definitely a typo. Overall, though, I'm really impressed with this blender. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to clean. It's definitely a great option if you're looking for a high-performance blender without breaking the bank. It's got a 1-year limited warranty too, which is always a good thing. So if you're on the fence, I'd say go for it. I think you'll be happy with it. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.